Understanding soft serve, a scoop of English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to indulge in a little treat that's not only delicious but also interesting linguistically. Yes, we're talking about soft serve, a phrase you might encounter at ice cream shops or during summer outings. But what does it mean exactly? Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the term, this video is for you. So let's get the scoop on soft serve. When we talk about soft serve, we are referring to a type of ice cream that is softer than regular ice creams. This is because it's served at a slightly warmer temperature and contains more air, which makes it lighter and creamier. Unlike hard scoop ice cream, which you can buy in pre-packed containers or get scooped out of a tub, soft serve is freshly whipped and comes out of a machine with a smooth, semi-liquid texture. The term soft serve dates back to the mid-20th century. It's an American invention that quickly spread around the world. The phrase itself is pretty straightforward. Soft describes the texture, and serve indicates that it's served to you, usually in a cone or cup. The concept was a hit due to the ease of serving and the novelty of a softer, creamier ice cream. Let's look at how we can use the phrase in everyday English. Can I have a chocolate soft serve, please? They have the best vanilla soft serve in town. Do you prefer soft serve or regular ice cream? Notice that soft serve can be used as a noun on its own or with an adjective to describe the flavor. Interestingly, the phrase soft serve has also made its way into more metaphorical uses. For example, the new employee is getting a soft serve approach, with gentle guidance and easy tasks to start with. After a hard day, I like to give myself a soft serve evening, with my favorite music and a relaxing bath. In these cases, soft serve suggests something gentle, easy, or light. And there you have it, a delicious bite of knowledge about the phrase soft serve. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary and maybe even made you crave a little ice cream. Remember, learning English can be as enjoyable as having your favorite dessert. Until our next video, keep practicing. And don't forget to treat yourself to some soft serve learning every now and then. Bye for now.